light live and darkness dwell, where God stores snow and hail. God started to talk about his animals like the lions and the ravens. Talk about how they hunt and their eating habits, how baby ravens cry for food. Chapter 38. We go to chapter 39. God talks about the mountain goats and the deer and how they gave birth. He talks about the donkey, wild oxen, and how he works on the floor with the threshing floor with gains. The ostrich and how they flap their wings. The horses, its neck and its snorting, his hoofs, and how majestic the horse that goes into the battle. He talks about the hawks, the eagles, and how they begin to build their. Chapter 39. We go to chapter 40. Sabi dito, God picks an animal, the behemoth, or the hippo. He talks about the bones, hips, thighs, his power, and his tails. Chapter 40. Last, chapter 41. God talks about one animal, the Leviathan, or many things about this is the crocodile. He talks about his teeth, his scales, eyes, his breathing, etc. Lord,